Idol, samahan niyo ako. Sakay tayo ng tricycle. Magpanggap tayong foreigner. Let's go! Tara, tuloy tayo. Simulan na natin mag-English. Good morning, sir. How much is the total fare cost? From here to Pure Gold Magalang? 35. Can you check me a ride? Who's the one? Okay, can I pay you now? 35?
Yes.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, okay, let's go. And have a nice day. God bless.
God bless.
Sige po, salamat po. Content lang. Naubusan ako mag-English, ha? Bye, boss.
Nagulat.
Ayos ba?
Nagulat kami sa'yo.
Sige. Sige po, salamat. Okay na po, content po. Yung sasakyan po. Bye. Good morning.
Sige na, sakay.
Hindi pa, good morning. Ayos.